When I was working at MIT in cancer research, I realized that the tools we were using were not being well translated into the clinic. I saw an opportunity to apply genomic innovation to improve the lives of patients. Our team is working together to create the most accurate blood test for liver disease. Harnessing genetic tools, our tests would be more accurate than other alternatives for early detection, intervention, and improved outcomes for patients and their families. Did you know that 1 in 3 Americans, or 100 million people in the United States, have fatty liver? This disease is not associated with alcohol consumption, but rather a westernized lifestyle. It is called non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, or NASH. Many patients are unaware that they have NASH until the disease has progressed to later stages when it is no longer treatable nor reversible. The reason for these trends is that there are 0 non-invasive diagnostic tools that can differentiate the benign from advanced form of liver disease. Imaging tools are inaccurate. The sole diagnostic test is a liver biopsy. These are expensive, invasive, prone to sampling error and bleeding. Therefore, they cannot serve the population at large. At AGE, we are developing the first accurate blood test that can differentiate the benign from advanced form of liver disease. Our tools will help hepatologists improve patient outcomes, reduce the financial burden on health insurers, and aid in early detection and intervention. Here's how our technology works. We take a patient blood sample and we look for very specific biomarkers related to liver disease as well as liver damage. We quantify the concentration of these biomarkers and pass a defined concentration. We can say with a high clinical accuracy that the patient currently has liver disease. The market opportunity is vast and growing. Globally, there are more than 2 billion patients who are considered high risk for fatty liver disease. Each year, health insurers in the United States spend more than $100 billion on management and diagnosis of liver disease. AGE seeks to capture 25% of the US market, which equates to more than a $27 billion yearly market opportunity. There are 0 blood tests that can diagnose NASH. So our competitive advantage is that we'd be the first accurate and non-invasive diagnostic tool for NASH. We'd be less expensive than liver biopsies, as well as all imaging modalities. And we would be the most accurate tool by targeting highly specific and innovative genomic regions. So we expect to be the most accurate tool for decades to come. We have recently completed the first of 2 pilot studies and identified a set of biomarkers that have between 90 and 99% accuracy, differentiating between the benign and advanced form of liver disease. We are in negotiations with Illumina and have recently partnered with the Henry Jackson Foundation, which is a subsidiary of the US military. We seek to launch a clinical trial with our partner hospitals by 2024 and launch as a lab-developed test by 2025. We are the team poised to take this technology to market. We have 100 years in hepatology, 75 years in business, 40 years in genetics, 5 exits, and we've secured more than $125 million in funding to date. We plan to launch by 2025. In year 1 of operations, we'll launch as a lab-developed test as a service and be reimbursed at a cost of $700 per patient per test. In year 1, we seek to capture 0.1% of the US market, service 25,000 patients, and generate $17.5 million in revenue. By year 3, we seek to pursue FDA approval, and by year 5, we seek to exit with our current partners. We previously raised $550,000, and we're currently raising $1.75 million to reach critical milestones, including test method verification, optimization, and business development milestones. We're hungry, humble, and yearning for progress. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to your questions later today.